Expected work. Hey, Andrea, did I miss you earlier? Good to see you, girl. How you been doing? Donna, Andrea is saying be ready so you don't have to get ready. Is that it? I do say that a lot. I got so many sayings. Is that what you were looking for, Donna? Be ready so you don't have to get ready. Andrea, it's really nice to see you here today, girl. Let's see. Let's see. I'm waiting on Donna's response, and then we're going to get out of here. Let's see what Donna says. Is that what you were looking for? Stay ready so you don't have to get ready? Let me know. Let's see if what Donna says. Okay. Questions plus money. So we talked about that one already. I think she's looking for something else, Gilmore Wanda. Let's see. So Gilmore Wanda, make your choice and which mentorship program will be best for you, okay? And we look forward to seeing you. Our next live session, I mentioned it already, is going to be Wednesday night. Good seeing you as well and everyone in the chat. Yes, this was cool. Oh, Donna, we're waiting for you. Are you still with us? So I can answer the question live and we can see who our winner is. So far, we just have one answer, which is Andrea. And she says, be ready so you don't have to get ready. Let me know. Is that what you had in mind, Donna? Donna, come on. We're waiting on Donna to say what's what. Okay. Donna, where are you? Oh, Donna, Andrea, she says you're very close, but you're missing something. Okay. Oh, Donna, it could be anything. You want to give Andrea one more chance, or she's the only person to answer? You want to give us the answer, and you give it to Andrea? What's your thoughts? Tell me what you want to do. It's your book. Tell me what you want to do. Donna been rocking with us for a moment, and I wasn't going to mention it, but she sent me the most beautiful referral a few weeks back. Somebody she met at Costco's. I think it was Costco's or BJ's. And this lady actually came through and got her stuff that she needed to start her business. She met talking to Donna Mack. So I appreciate that. So Donna, since we're not sure, tell us how you want to proceed, because I'm going to get ready to wrap this up. Let me know. Andrea, she said you're close, but you're missing something. So do you want to give it to Andrea, Donna? I know it's a little hard typing on YouTube. Let me know. Okay. Regina says, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. That's what Andrea's first answer was. So thank you, Regina. That is what Andrea said. All right, Donna, give me something. Donna's so funny. If you don't tell me so I can tell which one, I tell Andrea if she's getting this book or not. Donna, where are you? You know you should never have dead airspace on the live. But I'm waiting on Donna to tell us which one. I'm curious about what the saying is too. Donna, where are you? Mm-hmm. Hold on, Andrea and Regina. Let's see. All right. If she don't come through in a minute, I'm going to let y'all go. And Andrea, I'll reach out on the back end and have Donna contact you. Is it okay if Donna contacts you, Andrea? Because y'all had the same answer. So if she's going to accept Andrea's answer. And I was curious to what it is too. So I'm trying to wait for Donna to see what the saying is. Because y'all know I got a bunch of sayings. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Questions equal money. We're going to notarize like a pro. Apostille like a pro. Okay, so I don't know if Donna's having some technical issues because her last comment was at 8:04. Oh, here we go. Know your training, pricing, and have all your supplies all on deck. I don't know. All of that is true. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, Andrea. So let's do that. I'm going to have Donna get in touch with you because Regina, I appreciate you responding, but she had the same answer. So if Donna's going to accept something, it'll be Andrea's answer. Okay. Andrea, again, it was nice seeing you. Regina, thank you for rocking with us too. And Donna Mac always giving something. She said, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Yes, Lisa, that's what we got too. So I'm going to tell everybody have a good night. When I find out, maybe I'll tell y'all tomorrow what the answer was because I don't know right now. Again, I always say so many different things. So I appreciate Donna Mac doing that though. She actually gave out something in class some months ago too. Donna's very generous, very generous. She's a very sweet soul. Everybody in mentorship is. I'm telling you, we got a great team, y'all. We work together. We really do. All right. Well, I'm going to say good night, and I will see you guys over in mentorship or here on the live maybe tomorrow. You're welcome. Yeah, I'm going to say good night, okay? And when I find out, I'll let y'all know. So, Andrea, we got you, okay? All right. Lisa, oh, I know y'all miss each other. Andrea, don't forget, sign up for the $27 one if you want to just come to the lives and stuff. Okay? You're welcome, Judiva. Yeah, Andrea. And anybody else that's watching too, if you were part of mentorship and you're not in the $47 one and you just want to come to the lives, check out the $27 where you can come to every live, okay? And catch the replays. All right. It's just the option for you. So I know we talked about that, Andrea. So check that out if you need to come back, okay? I know y'all loved each other so much. Okay. Good night, everybody. Oh, you're welcome, Sonia. Thank you for joining us too. All right, the Anthony Brown Show. All right, good night, y'all. See you soon. Bye.